Welcome back. Welcome back to another video, guys. Here today with another vlog for you guys. It's Saturday. It's approximately 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and the temperature is around 10 degrees. It's not really that cold today. Yeah, 10 degrees is not that cold, right? That's how you know when you've been living in Alberta for a while. But anyways, guys, on the road today, starting on some business. I just decided to take you guys with me today, show you guys, the environment, what Grande Prairie really has to offer, what it looks like, and all of those lovely stuff. I'm currently at the bottle depot trading in some bottles at the moment. We needed to make some space in our apartment, and we just always have some plastic bottle pile up. Don't know why, probably because I can trade it in and make some money. So I'm currently at the depot about to trade in these bottles. Let's see how much money I'm gonna get for it. And definitely after that, I might just go to a supermarket to grab some formula, and then I have laundry for do today, and just a bag of chores. All right. If you haven't already, guys, consider subscribing to our channel. If you are a returning subscriber, bless up on yourself. Like the video, share the video, and definitely leave a comment. Let me know that you guys are here. Send some love in Nat's direction as well. If you don't know already, Nat's recently had a baby and she's recovering, and she's just not up to doing a video at the moment. Send some love, let you know that we are all here for her. We are sending some support her direction, and just makes you feel the love. Alright, guys, stay tuned and forward. Yeah, guys, I just want to take this opportunity to big up our Telegram group. If you are not a part of it as yet, you want to definitely check out the link in the description below. Now, what this Telegram group is about is just a community about persons who want to experience the Canadian dream, persons who want to come to Canada as a student, as a PR, as a worker. It doesn't really matter. Check it out. We're currently at 100 members and growing every day. It's not limited to a specific country. You guys can check it out anywhere in the world you are. And I just want to send a big shout out to all the persons who were recently approved in their immigration journey. All the best. And I'm not gonna call their name. I'm not sure if you need me to, but yeah, congrats and definitely all the best. Sure, you're welcome. I'm Jamaican. Yeah. Good. I don't think I've ever met anyone from Congo before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you guys new to Grande Prairie?
Two.
Are two?
Yeah.
Are you guys new to Grande Prairie or is it just to the building?
I don't know English. I know French.
Oh, you know French?
I speak French only. And Swahili.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know I know.
No problem.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Sure. So, but now guys, look who decides that she want to turn a big bum.
What? I'm going to always be a boy. I shall be good, big baby, but people don't care of me. I'm going to be a bum.
Yes, Malika. You want to be featured on the YouTube channel? Okay, go ahead and be a star. Yeah, guys. So back home, about to do some laundry. I'm on laundry duty, right? Definitely. This is just a Saturday hangout. Natsy's just here catching a movie. Good for stay out of bed, babes. How you feeling? I just tell the people I'm still stressed out, you know, and them send love for you, you know. So you have given birth to 1 week now? Still. Oh, you just stir up all of the thing. Yes, you just stirred up all of the thing. Yeah. Yes. Is there anything you'd like to say? Your nose want to clean, man. Let mommy clean out your nose. I said, you bathed from morning? I have to check, you know, because I try them the same thing, you know. Not like bathe. Yeah? This is the longest you've ever decided to come into a video, Malika. This is the longest. Yeah. Okay. Say bye. Next scene. Laundry room. Bye. Okay.